Now we are doing extra sums. See in board, they ask many objective question. 10 objective question होते हैं, okay? And उसकी ज़्यादा practice book ने नहीं दी है, तो हम extra sums करते हैं from reference book. Find, वो extra sums भी text book जैसे ही है. Find the खाली data they have changed. Find the discriminant of quadratic equation. What is the equation? Minus 4x square minus 3x plus 2 is 0. So here a is minus 4, clear? For discriminant I should find out a, b and c. I have written a, b and c. Now I find out d. d is b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3. So minus 3 ka square is 9 minus 4 into minus 4 into 2. 4ac. So it is 9 minus minus plus 32. So my answer is 41. एक मार्क के क्वेश्चन में पूछ सकते हैं ऐसा. ओके. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. इसके ए टाइप के बहुत सम हमने किए हैं. चेक वेदर, आपको रियलाइज करवाना चाहती हूँ कि रेफरेंस बुक मतलब एक्स्ट्रा सम्स मतलब दे आर वेरी सिमिलर टू टेक्स्ट बुक. बेसिक कंसेप्ट, द मेथड विल रिमेन सेम. ओनली डेटा दे आर एट द मोस्ट दे कैन चेंज द डेटा. दे कांट चेंज द कंसेप्ट. ओके. चेक वेदर x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2 is a quadratic equation or not. बहुत सारे सम करवाए मैंने. See, I just open it. x into x plus 1 can be written as x square plus x plus 8. And x plus 2 into x minus 2 is x square minus 4. Expansion. X square go away. So what is left? X plus 12 is 0. Not a quadratic equation. Why? Why it is not a quadratic equation? It is a linear equation, my dear. Here coefficient of x square is 0. And definition of quadratic equation says that ax square plus bx plus c में a कभी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. It's a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. Third, the roots of px square plus qx plus r is 0. a b c की जगह pqr दिया है. r नॉन रियल. ए इक्वेशन के रूट्स नॉन रियल है, तो यू फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन पी क्यू एंड आर. फाइंड रिलेशन बिटवीन पी क्यू एंड आर. तो क्या करेंगे हम? डी निकालेंगे. रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, सो डी मस्ट बी लेस देन 0. डी मतलब क्या आएगा? बी स्क्वायर मतलब क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac मतलब 4pr. So I got the relation q square minus 4pr is less than 0. It's a relation between p, q and r. Okay. Now for sum, what type of equation is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x square minus 1 into 2x. If I simplified it, it is x cube a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. So 6x square plus 3ab square. So 12 is equal to 2x cube, 2x into x square minus 2x. अब देखो सबको मैं एक साइड ले आऊं तो 2x क्यूब माइनस एक्स क्यूब इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर minus 2x minus 20. What type of equation is this? It is a cubic equation. What is it? It is a because highest power of x is 3. So it's a cubic polynomial, corresponding cubic polynomial, we have a cubic equation. Clear? Fifth sum is find the factors of x square minus 2x plus 1. देखो, it's a perfect square. So factors of x square minus 2x plus 1 are x minus 1 and x minus 1 because it is a x minus 1 whole square. Sixth question. This way they can ask the question. If one root of a quadratic equation is 3 minus root 2, एक quadratic equation का root 3 minus root 2 है, then find the other root. याद रखना, अगर एक रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2 है तो दूसरा रूट क्या होगा? 3 प्लस रूट 2. Rationalizing factor of this. Other root, always remember this. Other root is 3 plus root 2. A plus root भी है अगर एक रूट, तो दूसरा आएगा a माइनस रूट बी. क्लियर? ये याद रखना. This type of question can be asked. 7. Rationalizing factor ही होंगे दोनों एक दूसरे के. Find the value of m for which the quadratic equation mx square plus 8x plus 2 is 0 has equal roots. So I must find out d, and d should be equated with 0. Because roots are equal, then d must be 0. Now here my d is b square matlab 64 minus 4ac will be 8m is 0, and that implies my m is 8. Clear? Clear? This way question can be asked. Okay. Now in 8th question you are given find the roots of equation x square minus 4px plus 4p square minus q square is equal to 0. Now see, x square minus 4px plus 4p square. This 3 term is going to be a perfect square. So this is equal to 0 implies ये 3 बन के होगा x minus 2p whole square, यानी q square को मैं लिखूंगी minus q whole square. So it is difference of 2 square. वो completing square वाली मेथड, एक बार आप ले लो x minus 2p plus q और एक फैक्टर में ले लो x minus 2p minus q. So x minus 2p plus q is 0 और x minus 2p minus q is 0. So naturally I will get x is 2p minus q, साइड बदलेंगे तो, और x is 2p plus q. These are the two factors of x, एक 2p minus q and एक 2p plus q. Are you clear how to find out roots of this? Now see, sum number 9. The sum is like this. The sum of two numbers is 17. Okay, sum of two number is 17, and sum of the reciprocal, and the sum of their reciprocal is 17 by 62. Representation of above situation is possible or not? You are asked to represent the situation मैथमेटिकली. इसको मैथमेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. क्या करेंगे हम? लेट टू नंबर्स आर एक्स एंड दूसरा क्या लेंगे हम? 17 minus x. Okay, right, because sum is this. Now sum of the reciprocal, so 1 upon x plus 1 upon 17 minus x is given as 17 by 62. क्या आएगा? ओवरऑल एलसीएम लेंगे तो 62 ब्रैकेट में 17 माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 17 इंटू एक्स इंटू 17 माइनस एक्स. क्लियर? नाउ इसको सिंप्लीफाइड करो तो फाइनल तुम अब सिंप्लीफाइड करोगे तो आंसर आएगा, मैं बता देती हूं, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 17x प्लस 62. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 17x प्लस 62 is 0. This is the mathematical form. Actually, this also a mathematical form. Up to this you write, then also it will do. 1 upon x plus 1 upon 17 minus x is 17 by 62. This is also, ये भी चलेगा. और इसको ज्यादा सिंप्लीफाइड करना है तो यू जस्ट ओपन इट, ब्रिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन वन साइड. सो मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 17x प्लस 62 is 0. That is also the answer. Okay, both will do. Now see sum number 10. What is sum number 10? If P is equal to minus 7, okay, and Q is equal to 12, and x square plus px plus q is 0, then find the values of x. एक ही बात है ना यार, कोएफिशिएंट दिया है तो आई पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 12 हो गया. बस इसके फैक्टर निकालो, दो फैक्टर, x माइनस 4 एंड x माइनस 3. सो दैट इम्प्लाइज माई x इज 4. वे ऑफ आस्किंग इज डिफरेंट. माई टू वैल्यूज ऑफ x आर 4 एंड 3. वेरी सिंपल. 11 सम. पूछने का तरीका अलग है. फाइंड द sum of, find the roots of 3x square minus 3x plus 3 is 0. That implies x square minus x plus 1 is 0. I can't factorize this, so I have to find out d. d is b square minus 4ac. It is coming 1 minus 4, that is less than 0. Therefore roots are not possible. Suppose वो लोगों ने पूछा find the sum of the roots, then also I can say sum of roots are not possible. Suppose they have asked find the product of roots, then also I can say not possible, because when roots are not possible, neither sum of roots possible nor product of roots possible. Okay, now 12 sum. Which constant must be added and subtracted. To solve this. Solve the quadratic equation. It is nothing but they have asked one of the steps of completing perfect square, okay? See, you are given 9x square plus 3 by 4x minus root 2 is 0. By method of completing this square, what we are going to do? 9x square plus 3 by 4x minus root 2, it can be written as 3x whole square plus 2 times 3x. मुझे चाहिए 3 by 4, so I should add 1 by 8. So I should add 1 by 8 square and I have to subtract 1 by 8 square, okay? Then and then I can factorize by method of completing this square. So what is the answer? Here it implies 3x plus 1 by 8 whole square minus 1 by 64 minus root 2 is 0. So in order to make it a perfect square, we have to add, क्या ऐड किया मैंने 1 by 64 and subtract also 1 by 64, okay? I have to add 1 by 64, I have to add constant 1 by 64 and I have to subtract constant 1 by 64 in order to solve this quadratic equation, okay? It is nothing but one of the steps of your completing square wali method ka, okay? Now 13 sum. Solve the equation. क्यों ऐसा बोला? क्योंकि इक्वेशन स्पेशल है. देखो 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 4a स्क्वायर x प्लस a रेज टू 4 minus b raised to 4 is 0. Now I can make it a perfect square. 2x का स्क्वायर है, मिडल टर्म इज 2 times 2x into a square. So I require a raised to 4, which I have, minus b raised to 4. It is a difference of 2 square. देखो 2x minus a square whole square minus b square whole square, completing a perfect square. Clear? So my two factors are 2x minus a square minus b square, दूसरे ब्रैकेट में 2x minus a square plus b square. Clear? So my answer is 2x is a square plus b square or 2x is a square minus b square. So my x can be a square plus b square by 2 or x is a square minus b square by 2. Clear? So these are the two roots. Clear? And 14, the last extra sum. The numerator of a fraction is 2 less than the denominator. Numerator के लिए मैं n लेती हूँ. n of fraction is 2 less than d of fraction, okay? The n of numerator of fraction is 2 less than the denominator. If second situation is given as if 1 is added, 1 is added to both n and d, to both n and d. The sum of new and the original, the sum of new and original fraction is 19 by 50. Find out the original fraction, okay? I give you the hint. देखो original fraction क्या आएगा? x minus 2 upon x. Suppose x is a denominator. So x minus 2 by x is a original. Now 1 is added to both. So नया क्या आएगा? प्लस करके x minus 2 plus 1. So x minus 1 and x plus 1. This is equal to 19 by 15. हो गया equation. Suppose denominator is x. Then numerator is x minus 2. So original fraction is x minus 2 by x. Now 1 is added to both. So x minus 2 plus 1 is x minus 1 and x plus 1 is x plus 1. So new fraction is x minus 1 upon x plus 1. But the sum is 19 by 15. So bas, you solve this. When you solve this, what you are going to get, you know? When you solve this, you are going to get x is 5. So original fraction will be 3 by 5. Okay? Answer will be 3 by 5. I think you will be able to do it. Okay? So you try by your own. You will get it.